Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Vlog. So my dear student, today our question is, if a to the power a is equal to 10 to the power 200, then find the value of a. So student, in this video I will tell you how to find the value of a from this exponential equation. So my dear student, our given exponential equation is a to the power a is equal to 10 to the power 200. So student, to find the value of a from this exponential equation, so first of all we have to write this equation in the form of a to the power a is equal to b to the power b. Then we are able to find the value of a from this exponential equation. Okay student, so that's why on the left hand side again you have to write a to the power a is equal to, on the right hand side we have to write the same base, and in the place of power we have to write 2 into 100. Okay student, so student, after that again we have to write a to the power a on the left hand side of this equation, and on the right hand side we have to apply the formula a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n. So this formula we have to apply on right side. Okay, so after apply this formula on right side, so we can write from this exponential form 10 to the power 2 whole to the power 100. Okay student, so my dear student, in this equation on the left hand side here is base and power both are same, but on the right hand side base and power both are not same. So we have to make the same power and base. After that we can apply this formula, then we can find the value of a. Okay student, so student, so that's why on the left hand side again we have to write a to the power a is equal to, on the right hand side in the place of base again we have to write 10 square. Okay, and in the place of 100 we have to write 10 square. Okay, if you write 100 in exponential form, so you can write 10 square. Okay, so student, on both side of this equation base and power both are same. Okay, so on the left hand side here is a to the power a, that means base and power both are same, and right hand side in the place of base is 10 square and in the place of power is 10 square. Okay, that means on the right hand side base and power both are same. Okay, so after that we can apply this formula. Okay, so after apply this formula on this equation, so we can write from this equation a is equal to 10 square. Okay student, so my dear student, the value of a will be 10 square, that means 10 into 10. Okay, so if you multiply 10 with 10, then you get 100. Okay, so my dear student, the value of a will be 100. So this is our final answer. So my dear student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.